Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a table to your WordPress site in just a few easy steps. Whether you're organizing data or creating a pricing chart, this guide will make it simple and quick. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to WordPress. Look for the login option in the top right corner and click it. For a faster login, choose Continue with Google, then select your account if you're already signed in. This method keeps things quick and secure without needing to type a username and password. Once logged in, you'll land on your WordPress dashboard. Here, focus on the Quick Links section. Click Edit Site to enter the site editor where you can make changes to your pages and posts. Now, to add a table, go to the top left corner of the editor and click the plus icon to insert a new block. In the search field, type table and select the table block from the results. The table block is flexible. You can easily adjust the number of columns and rows to fit your content. Customize it to suit your needs, whether it's a simple list, a schedule, or a product comparison. Once you've set it up, preview your page to make sure everything looks perfect. Finally, when you're happy with how your table looks, publish your changes to make it live. And that's it. You've successfully added a table to your WordPress site. Adding tables is just one of the many ways to organize content and make your website more functional and visually appealing. Keep exploring WordPress to unlock even more customization options.